One of the most aspects of a 4K TV's performance is the realism of its colors. The more accurate the colors, the more lifelike the picture. Color technology creates wider and more varied color gamut that will enrich your viewing experience. Triluminous display widens the color gamut and reproduces more vivid and realistic images compared with LEDs with conventional display. Triluminous display reproduces vivid reds, vibrant greens, and brilliant blues. If you need a TV that looks good from various positions with wide viewing angle, look for Triluminous display. For most exciting color experience, see the color difference with Triluminous display. Available in all 2020 Sony Bravia 4K lineup. Spectacular color experience, Triluminous display.